In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the paragraph block in WordPress 2025. If you've been wondering how to navigate the updated interface to incorporate text into your posts or pages, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, making sure you can confidently add and use the paragraph block to enhance your site's content. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're all logged out of any previous accounts if you're sharing a computer. Once you're there, look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed on the screen, usually in the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see an option to continue with Google. This is a convenient way for those of us who like to keep things simple and secure by using our Google account to access various platforms. Clicking this will prompt you to choose your Google account. If you are already logged into your Google account in the browser, you might directly see a list of available accounts. Select the one associated with your WordPress site. If this is your first time logging into wordpress.com this way, you might need to give WordPress permission to access your Google account, so just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with your WordPress dashboard. On the right hand side, you should see a panel labelled Quick Links. Under this panel, there's the option to edit site. Click on it and you'll be taken to the site editing interface. This is where all the creative work begins. Now, to add a new paragraph block, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll find an add button, which is your gateway to the various block options WordPress offers. Click on that. A panel or drop down will appear, showing a variety of block types. In the search bar within this block menu, type in the word paragraph. This makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through numerous options. Once you see the paragraph option appear, go ahead and click on it. Just like that, you'll have a new paragraph block added to your page where you can start typing in your content. Remember, the paragraph block is your go-to for basic text elements and is fundamental for building out the written content of your site. It's versatile, allowing for easy formatting and customization. So, there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can swiftly add a paragraph block to your WordPress site in 2025, ensuring your content is both engaging and well organized. Happy blogging, and we'll see you in the next video.